Good day everyone. Learn how to take a screenshot in Windows 11. I'll tell you the two methods and both are very easy. So you need to look at your keyboard and press the Windows key which has a Microsoft logo. Four squares on it. Press Window, Shift and press S together and you will have a window like this where you just need to click on the snipping area. You can select the rectangle, window or full screen or freeform. So I'll select full screen and the moment you do it, the screenshot will be saved to your pictures. You just need to open your File Explorer and then go to Pictures, and here we have the screenshot folder and you will find the screenshot is right. It is saved. And one more thing, it is the faster way to screenshot the whole screen. You need to press the Window key on a keyboard and press Print Screen. That's it. The moment you do it, again, you will find it has done the screenshot and it has been saved to pictures, and screenshot you will find right here. Right. So this is how you can take the screenshot in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.